Ravi,
Yes.
yeah, I have a small doubt. Can I ask you?
Yes, of course, of course. Why you are hesitating? Ask.
No, I don't want to disturb your flow. That's why.
Yes, ask.
Yeah, actually, let's take now we have developed this application like in the dev environment, like alert service. We have created interface and three implementation classes you have created in dev environment.
Yes.
Now this is working fine in the dev. Now
Mm.
what you will do, you will deploy this application in the uh, QA.
Mm.
There also it will work, and finally it will deploy this application in the production.
Yes.
The same, all one interface and three implementation classes. You will deploy everything in the QA and also production.
Yes, yes.
So again, what is the use of this profile now? Because yeah, everywhere you are deploying, right? Like what this profile is making difference. Did
This
you
profile,
understand?
this profile is making the difference actually, in the property profile property is what different, what is that value is there, key will be same in future somewhere you will feel, don't worry, in the future you will get all those clarity, right? But what is that, we know that, okay, database, just think about the database operation we are performing, okay? So just think about that in the development environment, right? In the development environment we are using what is that, Oracle database. Okay, so in Oracle database, what is that, the property will be same only, key will be same, and what we will give database, what is that
Value will be
value,
different.
value
Yes.
will be different, right? So just think about that, okay, this application is moving inside that, what in what is that QA environment, and the QA environment, what is that, a database is there, MySQL. Okay, so
Okay.
my in the QA environment, what is that, MySQL database is there. So if we are using profiler concept, then what we have need to do, we don't have need to what disturb, what is that, our development environment code, right? Profiler. Okay, if in the case
Okay.
of, right, if bug will come, QA rising the bug, okay, then what will happen now, suddenly our code will come inside that, what dev environment or not, come on.
Yes, correct.
Then what, at that time what developer will do, again developer will what, developer will modify the, what is that, property
Already.
profiler value again, then he will start to work on that, those area, right? So the time will increase or not, come on, yaar.
Yes, yes, correct.
Got the point or not?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
So
Ravi, one more thing.
yes.
Here we are giving different profiles like Dev, QA, production, like that. That
Mm.
means we change in the configuration properties only, right? Deployment means here.
Yes, here just we are changing the property value only, and the property key will be same only.
Okay, that means we are not. Suppose we develop the application in Dev environment.
Yes.
If we want to deploy in QA environment, we need to change the configuration properties only. We are not going to put this application in separate server or not, something
Yeah,
not like
we
that.
don't have need to, if in the, what is that, in the property file, what we will do now, all what is that value we will write, and just we will activate based on that environment, what is that profile, how we are
Oh,
activating the profile, what is that, dash that spring active, what is that profile, profiles active.
mm,
After then whatever we are giving the profile name, based on that we are activating, and what will happen
okay.
in that environment, that property and that profile will activate, right? And we don't have need to
Oh,
change the code.
yeah, got it.
So fine.
Ravi, like
Yes.
when you create a jar, in that
uh,
jar, property file also will be there, right?
yeah, property file also there.
So, like, let's take you have created a jar in dev environment. In
Mm.
that property file also there. Now you will deploy the same jar in the QA.
Mm-hmm.
So in the QA also you will be having a property file, right? In that
Yeah,
jar,
yeah, that
you will be
profiler
getting.
property will be there na in the application.
Okay. Okay.
Actually,
Fine.
whenever we will create, on that day, I think you are
Okay. I
just joined
understand.
today, you are there
No,
in the
no.
first.
Now I am. Yeah,
No,
I was there. I was there.
you are there in the front first day onward, I just you joined today now.
No, no. I was there. Now I got an idea. Now I got the idea.
On that day I created jar, right? In the
Yes.
jar,
Yes. Yeah.
multiple profile, multiple
Correct.
property I was taken. I hope you remembered it.
Yes. Now I remember. Now I understood. Okay.
Yes.
I
So
remember.
please, actually, if I'm explaining any concept before I what is that I completed those things. Okay, when I was introduced, what is that VM argument and what is that after then what is that command line argument and which property will take first. Okay, that day. Okay, if you forget, just please watch on that day first day video, right?
Sure. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm. So okay, now fine guys, okay, let's move on. Okay, that's a very nice things guys. If doubt is there means what you people are doing already. Actually you people are already what is that experienced person, everyone is working now. Okay, so but if doubt is there means it's a really good symbol, right? Good symbol what means the person is hardworking person. Okay, and I'm respecting this kind of person. Okay, really I appreciate your question, man. What is your name?
Sudhir.
Sorry.
Sudhir.
Oh, Sudhir. Oh, really. I'm happy with you, Sudhir. Sudhir, I'm really happy with you. Okay. So now, fine. So
Thank you
let's
very
move
much,
on.
sir.
Let's move on, and we will see that. Okay. Let's move on, and we will see the next level discussion. Okay. So what we will do now? Okay. So what we will do now? So here again, what I'm doing now? What I'm doing now, guys? Here we will take the package statement as package name as what? Same only, right? Package name is what? Same only. So fine now, guys. So here what I'm taking now? Same package. What is the package name? Com dot rk dot what is that? Service dot impl. IMPL. This is the package. After then what it will do now? It will be the has a relation with what? It will be the has a relation with what? This interface only, right? This one will be has a relation with what? This interface. So for that, fine now, guys. So this one SMS alert will be default. What is that? SMS alert will be default. What is that? Default logic will be executed. If we not giving any, what is that? If we are not giving any what? Any value, right? Value at the runtime, then what is that? Which logic will execute? SMS alert logic will execute, right? After then what is that? If we are giving the QA profile, right, value, then which logic will execute? This logic. Okay, after then last one. Okay, last one we will give production environment, means what is that? UAT, user acceptance testing, right, is there, right? So what is that? Prod, just I'm giving the profile name, prod profile. I'm giving the production profile, right? So after then what we will do now, guys? So this class, right? This one will use inside that what our runner class is there, right? In the runner class, what we will do now? We will make the this interface as a has a relation, right? Has a relation. Between what is that? This runner class to what? This message alert is what? Has a relation will be there, right? So this one just what I'm taking the package name what? Com dot rk dot what is that? Run app. Okay, after then I'm taking what is the data runner, data run app. Just I'm taking the class name, right? This is the class name. Fine now, guys. Okay, so okay, so here in this class what we will do now? In this class what we will do now, guys? Just okay, so here I will take what is the alert service is there. Service colon what is that? Alert service. Okay, alert service, we will take this attribute as what? Private symbol means what is that? Negative minus symbol, right? Okay, so this is what our application is there, right? This is what application is there. Okay, so let's what we will do now. First, what is that? We will write this implementation class and we will activate based on that. Okay, and we will see this. Okay, we will see this one what? We will see this one what? First, what is that? Execution. Execute, how it's executing, right? The classes logic, right? Classes logic, how it's executing the classes logic, right? After then we will implement in the same application based on that property also. Okay, property profiler also we will include inside this application, right? We will, whenever we will activate QA, right? QA, it will execute what is that QA logic, as well as what the key will come from the value come from the property also, right? This is the our what is that main target, right? Next target. Okay, so but what we will do now, till application let's implement, right? Till application let's implement. And first what we will do now, first we will see that, okay, as a programmatic approach, then we will implement at what property profile also. Then we will implement in this application what property property, what is that property profile also. Now what is that file new spring starter project I'm taking, right? So just I'm taking application what application config app demo profile what is that alert service, right? Alert service. Now next, take the Lombok now version. Okay, now next, finish it. Hey, what happened? An error occurs. See error log for more details. Cycle while computing value. What is this? Okay, no problem. Our application is created now. Now my one updated. If any problem will be there, that will resolve it now. Okay, so come based on this one only, right? Come. So on the first day I told in the session, right? What I said now, what is that this class is there. If class means what is that, this class will become what parent, right? Parent. And if class is there has a relation, then this class will become what, this interface will become what, child. So if class is there in the relation between what is that has a, so development will start from where, guys? Where? Anybody remember it? Child class. Good. Only one person. Child class, right? Okay, so now another also I said, okay, if class is there between what is that is a relation, then development will start from where, guys? Development will start from where now? Parent or child? Parent or child?
Parent.
Good Panna, good. Okay, so now fine now, guys. So we know that. Okay, but what is that? This class is there in between. What is that? Has a relation to whom? Alert service, right? Alert service. But this alert service is interface. So its implementation classes, multiple implementation classes is there, right? But if we go in its implementation class already, what is that message? What is that message? Alert service is there, right? My message alert service interface is there with the what is a relation. Then which first where which class we will create, and where from the where development will start. First what we will do now, guys, we will create this interface, right? We will create the interface. Okay, so now fine. So because interface is there, what is that, this class is there between what is that is a relation, and is a relation, in the is a relation, what is that, always development will start from the parent to child. Okay, so let's develop what is that parent what class. Okay, so now come inside the application. Now come inside the application, right click, new. Okay, take the interface, right? What is that? What we are decided the interface service, right? com.rk.service. Now fine now, guys. So what is that dot service, right? After the alert, I'm taking the interface as what, alert service, right? So inside that, what is that? Inside that what? I'm taking one void method, right? Inside that what I'm taking, what is that void method? Void, what is the void? Send abstract method I'm taking, right? So fine now, guys. Okay, so this development is completed now, guys. Okay, this development is completed now. Then what we will do now, then what classes we will develop? Child classes. It's the child classes we will start it now. Okay, so let's start it now, guys. let's start it now. Okay, so what we will do now, again right click, new, take what package, what is that, com.rk dot, what is that, com.rk dot what, service IMPL, right, service IMPL. So now what we will do now, guys, what will be SMS alert service, right, SMS alert service, IMPL. I'm taking the implementation class now. Fine. Okay. So, okay, this interface is there. So what we will do now, we will implement, right? Implement, that is the interface. So what we will do now, implement, what is that? Alert service, right? Alert service. Fine now, guys. Okay. Alt Shift S plus V. Now, okay, fine. So here just what I'm going to do now, guys. What I'm going to do now, just I'm writing sysout. Okay, sysout. Inside this one, what I'm going to do now, what I told, right, SMS alert service, right, default profile, right. So what we will do now, from the default, just I'm writing what is that, from the default application, right, that's it. Okay, so if this class, so what is that, after then what we will do now, if we don't want to configure this class, which annotation, at the rate component annotation we will apply on the top of, then by seeing this annotation, what it will do now, our container will create the object of what, this class. Now again, what is that, at the rate profile, right, at the rate profile. Okay, so at the rate profile, inside that, okay, so what we will do now, if any key is not matched, okay, then default this one will execute. Okay, this one is will execute. Okay, so fine now, guys, another one more, right, one more, what is that, let's take what is that, another one is this one, right, this one, what is the email alert, what is that, service IMPL. Okay, so now let's create, what is that, right click, new class, right, new class. Okay, what is that, email alert, IMPL, right. Now finish it. Now implement the class, implement, fine. So next what we will do now, alert, we will implement the alert service, right, interface. Okay, fine. Now inside that, what, one abstract method is there, alt shift S plus V to abstract override that method, right. Now sys out, just I'm writing the logic. Okay, just think about that, logic is there, sys out. So inside that I'm writing what, email service alert QA, just I'm giving this QA environment, right, I'm giving this logic to QA environment. Fine now, so at the rate, to create the object of this implementation class, at the rate component, right, we will apply on the top of what, at the rate component. Now fine now, guys, at the rate profile, at the rate profile, inside this profile, what I'm giving, QA, just I'm giving the profile name what, QA. Fine now, fine guys. Okay, so another one more class is there, what is the class name, social alert service implementation, right. Let's create that class also, right click, new class, right. So fine now, guys, so what is that, after then what is that, social, what is that, social, right, social alert, social alert service. Now finish it. Okay, now at the rate component, I'm giving what, at the rate component. Another one is at the rate profile, right, at the rate what, profile. Inside this profile, just I'm keeping this one is production environment, right, production means prod. Okay, So implement what? Implement what? Alert service. Now find inside this alert service what? Abstract my alt shift s plus v, right? Alt shift s plus v. Now find guys. So fine, delete it, and here just write what? Logic. Just sysout I'm writing. Okay, sysout what? Social alert. What is that? Alert from production, right? Prod. That's it. Okay, this is the okay. So now find our class is ready now. So what we will do now? So we have to run this logics, right? We have need to run the command line runner we will take. So what we will do now? We already decided that class. What is that? com.rk.run app, right? Package. Okay. So now right click, run new. What we will do now? We will take what? com.rk. What is that? Runner app. Okay, now what is the data runner? Just I'm taking the class name. Okay, so now fine now guys. Okay, so at the rate component, at the rate what? Component I'm taking, at the rate component. Fine. Okay, so now what we will do now? Implement command line argument. Command line what? Runner. Okay, command line runner, right? Command line runner. Fine now guys. Okay, so inside that one abstract method shift s plus v. Okay, fine. So fine now guys. Okay, so what we will do now? Okay, here is a has a relation is there, right? Has a relation with what? This interface. So how we can service a service alert, right? So what we will do now here? Private what is that? Alert service, right? Now what we will do now? We will make the auto wire. Okay, fine now guys. So here what we will do now? Just we will run the application, right? So what is that? Service dot, we will call the method. Send method. That's it. Okay, so what we will do now? If we run this application guys, okay, so which result we will give? Because by default, what is the default is what is that? From the default application we will get the logic. This logic will execute guys. Okay, because default we are taking, right? Here what we are taking? Default. If we are not activating any profile, right? Any profile, so default profile will execute, right? Default profile will execute. Now fine now guys. Okay, so I'm activate, I'm first what? Normally I'm running the application guys. Okay, so now right click, run as just normal boot application. I'm running this. See this guys, from the default application we are getting the result, right? So no, I want what is that? I want what? Okay, I want what is that? Different environment, right? So what we will do now? Run configuration. Come inside the argument, right? Hyphen spring profiles dot active equal to, right? So what is that? Production. I want what is that? Prod, right? Prod environment. Now right click, run as. Social. See that? Production alert from the, what is that? Production in a social alert from the production environment. We are getting the result, right? we are getting the result now. Okay guys, no, I want what is that QA environment, right? I want what is that QA environment. So what we will do now, again run this one. Come inside the argument here, give the QA, right? QA. Now apply this one and run this. See this guys, it's coming from the QA environment or not? Okay, so now, okay, so like this, okay, based on that, what is that our, based on that our what, whenever we are activating, what is that activating profiler, based on that class logic executing. Okay, so no, I want one, I want what is that my what is that my intention is what work with what I want, as well work with what is that class logic, as well as what property, what is that property profiler also I want, right? Property what profiler also I want. Okay, no problem, no problem. So for that, okay, so by default, what is that application property is there or not, guys? So in the application property, what I'm going to do now, what I'm going to do now, guys, okay, so only one, what is that my dot app, I'm taking the key, right? My dot app dot key, my dot app dot key, right? I'm taking what is that app dot, just I'm taking what code, one code. Okay, here I'm taking what is that rk, r dot k dot technologies is nothing but default I'm taking, right? This default, I'm treating this profile as what, I'm treating this property as what default property, right? So fine now guys, okay, so one more profile I'm creating, what is that QA environment, right? For that, what is that I'm taking what new, one more file I'm taking, right? One more file. Okay, no, 1 minute, just what I'm doing now, guys, come inside that, what, just I want to show that, okay, I want to show one things. Okay, so one property is there, right? Only one property, so I'm taking this key, right? I'm taking this key, and what I'm going to do now, what I'm going to do now, I'm coming inside that, what, SMS alert, right? SMS alert, I'm creating one attribute, private what is that string code I'm taking, guys. Okay, code I'm taking. Okay, so I'm injecting in this code what, at the rate value annotation, right? At the rate value annotation, inside this value annotation, what I'm doing now, just dollar symbol, after then open bracket, curly bracket, this one I'm taking, plus what I'm doing now, guys, logic, class logic, as well as whenever we will activate, right? Whenever we will activate, what is that class based profile, right? Object based profile, it will run based on that, what it, based on that, what will activate our, what is that property profile will also activate, right? So I'm taking what code, right? Here I'm taking code. So now fine, so same things I'm taking all implementation classes, guys. Email also I'm giving here same only, right? Same only. Okay, so okay, so social is there, right? Social, inside the social also I'm giving the same only. And here what I'm doing now, guys, here I'm going now, plus what I'm taking code, right? Here also I'm taking code, and here also I'm taking what code, plus code, right? Now fine, so let's again run the same application, run the same application, because this is the default property, right? Default property for all application. Okay, so fine now guys, so come here where it is, where the application run, right? This one. Okay, so I'm running the application right now. Just by default, if you run, then what is that, what default runner, default object, right? Default class logic will execute. See this, the email service alert, right? QA. Okay, actually we are given that one only. Yeah, it's taking. Now run this. Okay, come in the configuration. Come the configuration. See this here already. It's there QA because of it's taking. Now remove this one. Now run this. Run this. Now run it. Okay, so see from the default application, right? Application, what logic is executing, as well as what, that this data is coming from what profiler, default profile also, right? Property also. See this data is what coming from what, guys? Property or not? Come on, come on. property, right? Property profile, right? This profile, it's coming from the this profile, right? So means property profiler also. It's activating what is that profile property profiler also, right? So now fine guys. So okay, same. I want to give one conclusion, guys. Okay, I want to give one conclusion. See this, listen carefully, listen carefully. In this small discussion, big something big is there behind it. Okay, because of that I'm stressing now. Okay, so fine now, guys. So again, what I'm going to do now, I'm running the same application, right? Now, what is that run? Run. What is that run? What is that here? I'm giving what is that uh, dash spring what spring profile spring profile. What is that spring profile? Now what is that active equal to, just I'm giving what qa. See this, whenever we are giving the qa logic, as well as what this default property is executing or not, guys. See this, see this. Now from the default application RK technology default, qa is not coming. 1 minute, something is wrong there, right? Something wrong is there. 1 minute.
Profiles missing, yes, missing in profiles.
Okay, yes, thank you, good, very good, Raj. Now application run. See this email service alert QA. See this QA environment. Now RK technology default means RK technology, this property also coming, and what is that email service also coming now here, guys. Okay, so fine. No, this is the very bad. Okay, I want what is that modularity in what is that property profiler also, profiler property also, right? If we run, right, if we run, what is that, the data will come from the QA proper profiler, as well as what, and the same logic, and in the class logic. If we select what is that class logic as what like class logic as what profiler what qa profiler, then I want to execute this logic as well as what qa profiler logic. So what we will do now, guys, so come inside that, this is the default. If anything is not much, then what is that, we will get this result, right? This result. So I want to create one more, right? What is that, right click, new file. Inside that, what application dash, what is that, qa. I'm giving the qa profiler dot, what is that, properties, right? Now finish it. Inside that, what we will do now, the default is there, right? Default. Now copy this one and come inside that, because key must be same only, right? Now paste it here, right? Here default is there, right? Here give the qa, just what is that, this, then qa. Okay, one more profile I want to create, right? Now right click, new, what is that, file, application dash, just I'm giving what is the production, production dot property. Now finish it. Now paste it, right? Here we will give what is the prod, right? If we run prod, right, then what will happen now, this property data will go inside that logic, the clause, right? This profile will activate, right? If we are activating qa, then qa active will become, okay? If we not match anything, then default will come. Okay, so now fine now, guys, come on. So here, what is that, I'm running again, what is that, application configuration, right click, run as just normal run. Okay, it's still it's activating. See now, previously we are getting what is that, RK technology qa, right, default, but here qa, because in the what is that, argument qa is activated now, guys. Okay, because of that we are getting. Okay, so now see this here, what is that, qa is there. No, I want what is a prod, right? prod, production environment. Now apply and run. see this guys, social alert from the production, right? RK Technology production means what is that? This what is that? This profile is result is coming as well as what? As well as what? Social. What is that? Social. Where the social? Okay, this class logic is coming now. Okay, if anything is not much, right click, run as. If anything is not much, default will come. Now run as, go inside that configuration, run as, just I'm removing, nothing is matching. Now apply and run, default will come. See, from default application, the result we are getting as well as what? RK Technology default property, right? This property data we are getting now. Now guys, like this we are activating and all those things. Okay, so now I hope I made you people satisfied, guys. Use the chat box, guys. Use the chat box. Yes, okay. Use the chat box,
Ravi, I
guys.
have a doubt.
Ah,
Hello.
yes. Yes.
Yeah, Ravi, I'm Sudhir.
Yes, Sudhir.
Yeah.
Ask.
Like, see, now you have given one email alert for production, SMS alert for default, social alert for QA. So again, you will deploy this application in the production. So in the production only, production class will get execute. So unnecessarily, this will be a memory wastage, no? For
Where
the
the
production, like unnecessary classes you are creating, like SMS alert and email alert, which are SMS alert is for default and email alert is for QA. So QA class is deploying in the production, no?
No, just I given the what is that feel here, man. Okay, in the
Okay.
application, whenever we are developing the project, right? SMS alert, right? SMS alert. If multiple classes is there or not, right? Multiple classes is there, multiple things is there. Which one? Some things will not run in the what is that QA environment. Based on that, just I given the feel and all those things, how we can activate it. Okay, when I will create the jar and var at the time, I will show the actuality, guys. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, memory based it and all those things, don't think still. Okay, if you think about that now from the beginning only memory based it and all those things, then you can't learn the concept, right?
Okay, Ravi, sir.
Okay, from here only when that stage will come, I will tell you. Okay, if we write like this, memory wastage is there. If we write like this, memory will be saved. Okay, we will not design like this project, we will design like this project. Like this I will tell, don't worry. Okay, but if here only if you think, then you can't learn the concept, because my intention to give the concept here. Okay, if this situation will come, how we will handle this situation and all those things. Okay.
Yeah, topic is very clear. Very
Yeah.
understanding.
Now understand the topic, you got the point, whatever I explained.
Yes,
And
yes, I understood.
then
Yes.
wait, I will give each and every whatever, see, whatever things I'm explaining. Okay, everything I will use in the what future. Ask whoever joined what our spring session. Initially how I taking care, like bit and bit I given, and after ending, I when I was implemented mini project, at the time I given full subject conclusion in that project. Ask those people, those people will tell.
Okay,
So
Yeah,
okay now.
first concept wise, then after in the project, everything will be covered.
Yes. So okay, so now guys, so what is that here? Boot core I am completing now. Let's move on next module. Let's understand what is that Spring Mail. Okay, Spring Mail. Okay, so from here onward we will enter what is that modular all modules. Okay, from here onward I will not share what is that. I will not share what video on what group. I created one group, guys. In that group only whoever joined the session, our session, those people will get what is that here, what is that those people will get what is that videos. Okay, because unnecessary who don't have need, right, who don't have need, what is the use of to give those people, right? So I will give the link, okay?